the streets which were the crucible of the Troubles, flags at half-mast contribute to one of its most notorious figures. Martin McGuinness grew up here on the Bogside. His last public words showed he'd never forgotten those roots.
I'll always be very proud to be from the Bogside. My heart, my eyes on the Bogside.
Today, in the street where he grew up, former neighbours were digesting the news.
I heard he was very ill. I don't think he was. I didn't think he was getting out fast.
How will he be missed here on the Bogside?
Pure drunk with milk.
It's going to be a bigger loss than people realise.
In the 60s, Londonderry was blighted by grinding poverty. For Catholic teenagers like Martin McGuinness, there were few jobs. His only opportunity
All milk
was
too.
as apprentice, but his focus lay elsewhere. To understand Martin McGuinness, you have to understand what he experienced growing up here on the Bogside. One of 7 children in this tiny house, he faced daily discrimination and violence. But soon, the butcher's boy decided to fight back. He was on the front line for much of the troubles with the IRA, including Bloody